I'd like to introduce you to your new equipment. TEMPTU has a couple of different combinations. Hopefully, you're going to take advantage of all of them together to make yourself a more efficient airbrush artist. Let's start with the compressor. This compressor is the TEMPTU Air. This is a cordless, rechargeable compressor. It's so easy. Right here on the bottom of the machine, this is a USB plug that it comes with, and you can plug this in worldwide into USB connectors to charge your equipment. It's also all push button operation. So all you have to do to turn it on is hold down the button and then tap, tap, tap to change your settings. Once you're ready to spray, we have a soft touch control right here on top that you'll toggle with your finger to release the makeup. This is the Airpod Pro. This is an empty cartridge with a lid on top where you can add your makeup and custom blend for whatever result you're looking for. Put the two of them together and you've got the world's first self-contained airbrush system. Some other options that you can add to your TEMPTU Air would be the Airpod Pro XL, which as you can see has a very large compartment for larger quantities of makeup and or tanner. And then one more part to this amazing system is the pre-filled AirPod system. Now these pre-filled AirPods are available in multiple formulas and multiple shades and colors. So you can really have fun putting together an amazingly effective kit.